Hi, I'm Andrew Drain from Harcourts Hills Living, and welcome to 2 of 34 Oakland Avenue in Baulkham Hills. This is quite a unique location and quite a unique townhouse. We're in a local resident-only area, offering lots of peace and tranquility, just a minute walk from Our Lady of Lourdes Primary School and surrounded by lots of natural bushland. Let's go and have a look through. So what I love about this unique property is the oversized bedrooms and living areas, but also what highlights the privacy is this beautiful front courtyard area.
And into this beautiful, large, light-filled living area. Leading into this lovely large kitchen with black granite benchtops, gas cooking, and adjacent meals area. And moving upstairs to the accommodations, we've got 3 oversized bedrooms. The main bedroom features walk-in robe, ensuite, and a Juliet balcony for sitting back and watching those beautiful afternoon sunsets. Now, there's nothing to do or spend here. It's been freshly painted and we've got new carpets all through the upstairs living area. There's ducted air conditioning, intercom for ease of access, and an alarm system for your safety and security. And featuring a large double garage with private access from the rear and internal entry into the house.
So if you're looking for an affordable entry point into the bustling Hills market, but you still want a townhouse that will cater for the large family, look no further, come and see us at the open home. I'm Andrew Drain, that was Paul Moriarty, and we'll see you on Saturday.